introduce my car collection.
Wow!
So this is my Lamborghini.
Daming car ni Piloy,
Oh,
guys.
oopsies. This is a Lamborghini.
As in,
Says to open
dami.
it. Oh, oopsies. I can't open it.
So, imo na naipadala sa Pinas, B.
Okay, so this is the engine. What did you put there?
Para dili makuha ng camera.
There's a,
Okay, live lang.
how
What's that?
It's a Lamborghini, I said already.
Oh, sorry. Next, what else? Next.
Ew. No.
That one.
Nice Defender.
That's Defender. Nice Defender.
I don't. Is there so much numbers in?
Oh, do not read the numbers only. The name only. And next, the one. What is the next one?
O E F E N O E N. Defender.
Ang dami niyang mga car, guys, na since last 2023, pag-abot na mo sa Canada.
It's a fire truck.
Ang dami. Ang uban, guys, hinatag rasad na sa mga titos and titas. Okay, what else?
This is a fire truck gift
Yeah.
from my tita.
Who's tita? Tita Clarice and Tita Danica.
Yeah. Oh,
Yeah.
it's a very cute.
And that one, at Tita Eileen give that to you. Do you remember?
Yeah, this is Kuya Mateo's one.
Yeah.
When it's Christmas, they
Yeah.
give me.
It's a gift.
When it's Christmas, they gave it to me.
Okay. So, what else?
This is cool looking excavator truck.
Dami niya talaga mga sasakyan, guys.
It's
Na
261.
hindi din basta-basta mabibili sa Pinas kasi mga ganito. Yung mga ganito, mahal to eh sa Pinas. Pagdating dito sa Canada, marami siyang mga klaseng-klaseng ganitong sasakyan para sa mga bata. Mahilig kasi si Piloy sa mga ganyan. Huwag niyo lang siyang bigyan
Mama,
ng...
you do it the faraway ones.
Okay. Huwag mo lang siyang